don't care what you're going through, what life's throwing at you. It's your responsibility to find your new 100%. Take it upon yourself to do that. Stay hard.
Look inside yourself, Simba. Remember who you are.
Back.
Get back in that mode! Not next week, not tomorrow, right now! Because at some point, you lost that version of you. The one who was locked in. The one who didn't overthink it. The one who went all in. You got distracted. You got comfortable. Or maybe life just started hitting you a little harder than expected. But that version of you, that locked in version of you, is still in there and is waiting for you to get back.
Be selfish. Be selfish for the next 3 years. Go get yourself strong. Go put your own oxygen mask on. Put some money in the bank. Crush your company. Be selfish with your time. Be selfish with your income. Be greedy on the amount of money you want to make. I'm telling you, be greedy, be selfish. You know why? Because if you go all in, if you stop thinking, I wish I could do more, be more, go all in and make the money.
What's your name? What's your name?
Agree!
What are you doing? Why are you still holding back? Have you forgotten what they said to us? What they did? They think you're a monster. Prove them right. Fight or be forgotten!
Battle.
This is where we hold them. This is where we fight. And these shields, boys!
They think you're soft, homie. They think you're weak. They don't respect you. They look at you and they see fear. They see mediocrity. You're the one they point and laugh at. And it's been like this for so fucking long. It's about time you flip that switch. You got two choices in this life. You either accept the cards you've been dealt and let life beat the shit out of you. You dig your heels in and you fight the
Get
back.
Get!
The fire's coming. Are you ready for the fire? We're firemen. Okay. We are firemen! You got it, Coach. The heat doesn't bother us. We live in the heat. We train in the heat. Yeah, let's go. It tells us that we're ready. We're at home. We're where we're supposed to be. Flames don't intimidate us. What do? We control the flame. We control them. We move the flame where we want to. And then we extinguish them.
You've been through the fire. You felt the weight of doubt pressing down on you. Telling you it's too much. Telling you it's too hard. Telling you should stop and turn back now. But every time you heard that voice, you simply didn't quit.
I don't live off that whole shit. I wish the water was cold. I wish them motherfucking instructors keep on fucking running. I wish the fucking rain. When the ending is unknown and the distance is unknown, that's when you know who the fuck you are.
It's time for you to get back in that mode, because the difference between where you are right now and where you want to be is in the work that you've been avoiding, the risk that you're scared to take, in the discipline that you keep putting off. You keep saying you want more, but your actions don't match it. So this is the moment where you decide, are you gonna keep making excuses or are you gonna get back in that mode?
Life is always giving you a test, trying to give you a way out. Trying to give you an excuse not to show up. But guess what? You gotta have the mentality to show up every fucking day of your life. No matter what life throws at you. It's our responsibility to show up to the Coliseum of life. Prepared for fucking battle.
So I know life might be a little rough right now. I know it might feel like you're going through hell. But my question to you is this. If you're going through hell, why the f would you want to stop there?
Remember everything they said about you, bro. Every time they made you feel worthless, every time they made you feel like you weren't good enough, remember all that pain, everything that bothered you, anything anybody ever said to you, anytime they made fun of you, when you felt like you wanted more out of life and you weren't getting it.
It all starts with who you are. Who you are is more important than what you do, how high you jump, how fast you run, because who you are is your character. And your character is an accumulation of your thoughts, your habits, and your priorities on a day-to-day basis, because those three things determine the choices you make, and the choices you make you who you are. And it takes a certain amount of discipline to do what you're supposed to do, when you're supposed to do it, the way it's supposed to get done.
Whatever will be the most epic story is the thing that I will most likely do. And so oftentimes the most epic story is not the shortest outcome to victory. It's the long saga that results in this big thing later eventually.
Man, I say to everybody who watching, man, just remember you are who you think you are. You know what I'm saying? And you deserve it all. Anything you got coming your way is made for you. Can't nobody ruin that. Can't nobody spoil that. Not even you. You can't spoil what God has planned for you.
You forgot.
Defeat, retreat, those are not in my word. I don't understand those definitions. I don't understand when things go wrong. I don't understand mistakes. But I do understand this. I understand victory, and I understand never surrendering. No matter how bad things go, my heart, my mind will carry my body when my limbs are too weak. Who am I? I'm the champion.
For you.
You forgot who the fuck you are, bro. You got so caught up in other people's opinions and the way the world looks at you that you forgot what got you here in the first place. Forget everybody else, bro. Forget the crowd, forget the clubs, forget whatever it is. You have nobody to prove anything to except yourself. You don't have as much time as you think, bro. You see this guy? Remember what he said. Nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. It's not about how hard you can hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. Keep moving forward, bro. Keep moving forward.
I gotta prove it. Prove what? I'm not a mistake.
Something.
Never forget what you are. The rest of the world will not. Wear it like armor, and it can never be used to hurt you.
Don't ever be ashamed of anything you've done in your life. Face it, fix it, make it better.
Give a man a purpose and the ability to achieve it, and he will crawl over broken glass with a smile. And I think that feeling capable and powerful and competent and respected and admired is something that will get a man so far. You give a man those things, and he'll deal with suffering until the ends of the earth. We're designed to do that. We're designed to suffer. We're designed to deal with that suffering. But it needs to be in service of something.
Hey, bro, I need you to get back in that mode again. That mode where nothing can take you off your pivot. You just putting in that work every single day. See, that version of you is different. You got to tap back into it. Don't be out here playing with your potential, because you one of them ones, bro. You special. And you weren't meant to be a person that could have been the one. You are the one. So I need you to get back moving like it.
This fight that you're in, this is what will make you stronger and faster and smarter and better. And then with that motivation, go forward into the fray, into the storm, into the heat of the battle where victory is forward.
Moving like it.
Whatever. Basically, two kinds of people in life. They're winners and they're losers. And the definition is this. Losers take things that happen to them and that they feel inside that suck, and they wallow. They use it for self or outward destruction. Winners take whatever they feel it, it sucks, and they transmute it into things that are good for themselves and for the late.
That's how you level up. There's so many people that have the ability and just refuse to get off that couch. Refuse to study a few more hours. Refuse to go deeper, to go further. And that's where I gain the advantage. It's so easy to be great nowadays, my friend, because most people are weak.
Take ownership of your mistakes, take ownership of your shortfalls, take ownership of your problems, and then take ownership of the solutions that will get those problems solved. Take ownership of your mission. Take ownership of your job, of your team, of your future, and take ownership of your life.
With success in life comes more haters. Don't make them hurt your feelings. Use them for fuel. Use them for energy. In times of need, put them on the fucking mental Rolodex in your mind. And when you don't want to do shit, roll through your brain. Pull up that motherfucker that you need. That person who said you couldn't do something. Use it for energy. In life, we have to continue pushing past the odds. Use everything this world has to give you for fuel.
Life doesn't happen to you. Life happens for you. Opportunities will come to you every day. It's either for you, you can remain scared of the opportunities, or you can embrace them and take them.
Having pride in your name, your performance, but you need to do something that is worthy of being prideful about. What would have had to have happened in a week for you to look back on that week with pride? Okay, maybe stop breaking promises to yourself. When you say, I'm going to wake up tomorrow at 7 a.m., and when the option comes to hit the snooze button, don't do it. There's one win that you've got today.
You need discipline, because motivation's not there every day. I'm missing motivation most days. Wow,
Some
really?
days, yeah, sometimes I got motivation. Sometimes I'm like, fuck yeah, today I felt good. I can't wait to get to the gym. But a lot of days, like, gotta get to the gym. And then once I get going, then I feel great.
Yeah.
And I feel great when it's over. But it's that beginning part that's hard because your body wants to stay comfortable. Your body will trick you, like, man, today you should take the day off, Theo. You don't feel good. Theo, what did you get, like 6 hours sleep last night? That's not good.
Those days when I'm tired or worn out or just basically sick of the grind, what do I do on those days? I go anyways. I get it done, even if I'm just going through the motions. I go through the motions.
Whenever you think you can't, confidence comes from the thing that you built. You must build belief. You must build confidence. It can't be like, hey, I'm gonna go knock that shit out. You gotta look over here and say, I can knock that shit out. It's belief, and it's built on what you put in to yourself.